What's up, guys? Have you tried to become the most powerful person on a Minecraft server? And this is Bedrock, by the way. But, yeah. Most people know me for playing Java, but I also play Bedrock. And, oh wait, this is not my potato skin. Blur it. But, yeah. Today I'll be teaching you the ways of the I'm joking. Today I will be teaching you how to become extremely well, not extremely, but like how to be pretty powerful. So yeah, let's just go to the realm that I play on, and I'm not flexing because I'm not that rich, but yeah, let's go. So guys, I am here. So yeah, but why is this? Okay, there might have been some conflict. Why? Okay, I'm guessing the one day I was on for the server, a creeper blew up, and they tried to patch it with gravel. So, yeah, this is what I have. I am kind of rich. Yeah, I haven't been playing it that much, but my potatoes. Okay, this is war. Okay, this is war. But we're not talking about the server right now. We're just mostly going to talk about how to become extremely wealthy. My potatoes! Who would do such a thing? Wait, was I stolen from? No, I was not stolen from. But what happened to my potatoes? Maybe they just collected it and forgot to replant it. Okay, but yeah. So let's go into the world, and I'll tell you how to start and how to do it. So guys, I'm here on a random world, and I'm in creative mode because it will just be easier to explain. So, the first thing you obviously want to do is have coordinates on. And in order to do that, you just go to settings, I think, and you go right down here, show coordinates. But if you're playing on a realm that someone else created, they just have to make a new world, or if they don't want to do that, you can just go all the way down to Bedrock. Like, you can just make a staircase all the way down. And then, okay, level 9, 6. So, just go to the highest point in Bedrock. Go to the highest, Bedrock. My brain's broken. Yeah, I go to the highest point of Bedrock, which is, I think, level 5. And, yeah, that's how you'll know. Okay, I'll just be quiet now. I'll just go back to the surface. I'm doing a very bad job explaining this. Okay, so the first thing you'll want to do is make a house. Probably. Where you gather wood. You maybe explore a little bit, try to find a good area that is good. Yeah. So I'll just make a house. Yep, this is your house. It's wonderful. And now, yeah, I won't put anything in here. But, so the next thing you want to do is, like, get some seeds, which I'm pretty sure all of you know how to do. You just get some seeds. Yes. You get some seeds. Not an axe. You get a hoe. Iron one. It doesn't matter. But, you just, it's good to have, like, a house near, like, a pond or a river, because you can easily just, like, it's already a water source. So you just plant those. They'll grow very quickly. And to make it easier, you can just get bone meal. The next thing you want to do is just, like, with that wheat, you can make a quick animal farm. After that, you can go mining. Or you can go mining ooh, a doggy. Never mind. You can go mining before, but like you just quickly do a staircase like this. It's not gonna be neat. I'm not making it neat. I'm just trying to quickly go down. I don't think you see anything. Let me just get night vision. Where's night vision? Where? Oh, I found it. So you just keep on going down to Y level 6. Yeah, 6. You go down to Y level 6, and then I'm pretty sure this is the best level to like find diamonds. So we just keep on digging. Oh, there's iron. There's plenty of iron. But we'll eventually find diamonds. It will just maybe take a little time, but we'll eventually find diamonds. Oh, my night vision wore out. Wait, how long is this? 6 minutes? I've been doing this for 6 what? Okay. So we just keep on doing this. We just keep on digging. And I'm doing a great job finding diamonds right now. Guys, I'm telling you, this is how I found diamonds in the other world. Maybe we just have to go in a different direction. Why is there so much gravel? Okay, so we just... I don't know what sound I just made. So, eventually, you'll find a cave. Or diamonds. Okay, I'm just gonna skip through it, the entire process, until I find diamonds. Now, see you then, guys. Oh, there's diamonds right here. See, guys, this is the best process. Look how many diamonds this is. Yes. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was 6 diamonds. So with that, you can get a diamond pickaxe and then an enchantment table. Yes. You can do that. And then like with the wheat farm, you probably would have gotten animals like a cow or something. And then you can just keep on... Oh wait, does the wheat grow yet? Okay. So you'll have a cow farm. You can keep on breeding them over and over. And then you can finally kill them. Slaughter them. Yes. And then after you do that, you have lots of leather. You can also make a sugarcane farm. Well, you have to make a sugarcane farm. Or you can just go out exploring and try to find sugarcane. Then you can get a level 30 enchantment. And there you go. That is the best explanation I can do. Bye.